What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be working on a computer I will be building on this mat here. There's my screen over there. Okay. The motherboard that I have just came in the mail not long ago. So, that's curious. There's my flathead. There's my flathead. Looks like there's something underneath the glass. Nope. Done by then. Alright. Alright, let's see here. We've got two SATA cables. The outer thing. Description. Video card integrated. 250 power supply. Premium good. Alright. Huh. PS. Alright. Okay. There's the bubble. And here's our motherboard. Look at that. I don't know what exactly this is, because one of my tech friend got this for me to build for my mom. But looks like we've got two graphics card slots apparently. 4 RAM, 6 SATA ports, and SSD port. Power switch, LED, stuff like that. So alright, need to get into my box of parts. We're going to be running the MSI 6000 series on it. I looked it up. Y'all can specifically look it up. I don't know exactly what. Hot Pocket. I have another computer built already, but I'm going to be swapping the motherboard and everything out of it to this. Headphones. Don't need them at the moment. Motherboard 1 that I don't need. Backup hard drive. We will also the core is going to be an Intel Core i7 77,000 series, 3.60 gigahertz, SR338, yeah, so on and so forth. That's the original power supply. I mean, the original motherboard. Got the power button and my CPU. I'll plug in my power switch wherever I put it. Okay, so it looks like I need to. This is the temporary switch I'll be using. Okay, where's my speaker? Here's my speaker. I stole the speaker off an old Windows XP computer that I had lying around that don't work no more. I got that. Let's see. Where's my... Right. Here's my cord. Why is it reversed? I'm gonna pop open the CPU. Make sure none of the pins are bent. Good. Protect itself. Oh, that is fascinating how that just does that. Oh. And now I'm just going to put this back on this one. This on this one. If I can. I laid out a can, but it's worth a try. Nope. Alright, that goes in the garbage. Why is that in Chinese? Alright, now I'm going to grab my RAM out of my other computer. Oops, I forgot about that. RAM. We're going to have 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. Right? Yeah, 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. Not RGB. If I'm thinking correctly, there should be an RGB on the actual motherboard too. If I'm thinking correctly. For my motherboard. Because my motherboard has a LED built into it. Which I find cool. Yeah. I forget the newer motherboards, you slide one side in first, and then slide it down, and it clicks into place better. Just don't put that port. Ta-da. Alright. I need my SSD. You know what? First, I'm gonna remove my motherboard out of the case that's going to be for my mom. That's going to be for my mother. There. And yes, I have a Hot Pocket on it. Not sponsored. I'm just a new channel. That's just starting out, so. Alright. First, I'm going to disconnect all the power supply. All the power. All the power? Yeah, that's all the power. Take that shut down, because I'm going to remove everything out the case. Let's screwdriver. I need my star head. Wherever the hell it is. What did I do with that star head? Don't know. Looks like I'm just gonna have to use my flathead. Unless this fits. I haven't had it. Nope. Alright, where's my flathead? Oh, wait, what am I doing? I have a toolbox right here. Okay. So yeah, I do. Here we go. Now, this graphics card, I have no idea how old it is. But it's none of the newer. It's at least a 3-year-old graphics card. 3 or 4-year-old. So, yeah. But that's not what we'll be using. We'll be using the slightly newer graphics card that I have. I'm going to unplug the power supply switches, USB, and the fan. Wait, was that the fan or? Now I unplugged the fan. There we go. Yeah, it's got 2 integrated fans. Alright, there I just gotta unscrew everything. Which in turn means Phillips head. Because that's mainly what I use to secure this motherboard down, because I don't have the original mounting screws, so I just had to reuse stuff off of basically reuse screws that I've got off like the mounts, off the original mounts of the original spot where the original CPU hook down was, because this one came with different, yeah. But I did have it secured pretty good. I have 5 screws that was holding it down. I know it's not the recommended amount, but it works. Great. And here's the one for mine. Just gonna set it on the other motherboard. And god damn it, I hate it when it does that. I hate it when the lengthener to get between the screws and the case itself gets stuck on the screws. And it always happens with a specific screw that I have. There we go. There. See? Alright, now I can work up here. Get that working up here. On the desk. Instead of having to shit in the floor. There. Alright, for now I'm gonna move this motherboard out the way. I'm gonna move the Intel board and set it up here on my toolbox. And place my motherboard in a spot. Alright, basically what I have here is a ASUS Prime. Can't exactly remember what the fuck it was. Yeah, it was an ASUS Prime something. I don't know. I don't remember. But it has an RGB that runs along here and then goes this way. I need that SATA. I need the SSD. I didn't know my stuff was that screwdriver was magnetized. Huh. Oh, you gotta be joking. Ha! That was never peeled. Sick. yeah. What I've got is a Ada Legend 700 gold for my SSD. Now, my motherboard is using a what is it? It's a I had the box earlier. Oh, it's using a Ryzen 5 500 CPU. I mean 5000 CPU. So, and if you get the Ryzen 500 CPU, it comes with a CPU cooler, pre-thermal pasted. Like this one here is a pre-thermal pasted CPU cooler. Now, do I need anything else off of my motherboard at the moment? No, I don't. Right, so this is going to go in place of this motherboard. No, it went in ring. I guess that's just what. There we go. Alright, now then. This, like this. Two. Where are my screws? There we go. I have screws all over the place because I've been working on other stuff. Alright. SSD goes in. Looks like I'm going to need that extender pin anyway. Actually, going to need this extender. Shoot. Looks like I'm going to have to locate another extender for my motherboard. Actually, I wonder. Can I just use this extender here? I wonder if I can just use this black extender. First, oh, it's got 2 SSD slots. It's got 2. There's one here, and then there's one here. That is epic. You see the other one right here? That's another SSD slot. My board only has the one. I might just do this one. Alright, so now you need it all the way out. Cool. I hope these threads fit. Yep. I know you're not supposed to just let the SSD hang down low, but this thing came with none of that. And I need the one for my computer. So I'm just going to have to tilt it down like this and pray. Actually, where's my motherboard? Where's my Intel board? This is on my motherboard, okay. I want to see if I can't just use something else. I can. think I'm gonna move this to the other SSD slot so I have more room. Well, quick fix, I guess. Alright, next up, the CPU cooler. I had still a little thermal paste for my laptop, but it should be fine. Just gotta get this wire for the CPU fan unwound from the actual fan itself. Then, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, all 4 are secured, although that made the motherboard warp a little bit, but okay. Where is my CPU fan hole though? I think I plugged it in the right. Nope, I didn't. The CPU fan goes right here. There we go. Alright, what else do I need? Need power for sure. For now, I'm going to use you know what? I'm going to remove these screws out of here so I can get my power supply out. Actually, no, so I don't have to go through the hassle of shoving one back in there. I'm going to get my backup power supply for something that I have for my computer, actually. My actual computer. Where's my slot? Damn it! Keyboard. Yeah, I've got a Windows XP computer in here, the shell of a Windows 7, a disk driver from a Windows XP, the floppy disk driver from a Windows XP, a keyboard and a mouse, the power supply for the Windows 7 shell, and the front of another Windows XP that has a power button on it. Have all sorts of stuff down here. Okay. Let's put my power supply here on the side and get my HDMI cord over here. There we go. Got my HDMI, get my CPU, my graphics card in here. There. Make sure everything's flush. Alright. Yes, I know it's a big eyesore. Oh god, it's also right on top of the SSD. Alright, I need to move this a little closer so I can go. Where's my power? Where's my power button? Where's my power? Here's my power. Here's my power. Almost lost the power. Alright. Alright. Oh, there's the Wi-Fi card slot. Now, where does my power? Where's my power? Fuck it. This is going on the table. Actually, my So please, I need pleasure. Oh no, the power, the power, the power. Oh no. Do I need the 8? Do I need to have the +2? Yes, I do. There we go. Power supply cord 1's on for the power. Alright, let's see here. Yeah. I think this is the PCIe. I don't know. What is this? Do I have more than one of those? I don't think so. Okay. Looks like this one is for my graphics card. I do believe this is the PCIe. Oops. Guess I have it the wrong way. Now I gotta power this. Somehow? Oh, there it goes. Power. There we go. No. There, now it has power. And now for the CPU. Pull apart. Now it's just a 2-pin. 4-pin. Where's my clip? There's my clip. Plug. Do I need to plug anything else? No. Alright, let's see if it will boot or not. Last time I checked, this graphics card decided to take a crap on me, but now I just need my keyboard and mouse. Why did I open my fridge? Keyboard and mouse. And this is a new board, so I don't have to worry about it not working somehow. Or any of the boards. I just hope this motherboard works, because it was shipped from a buy-on. It was gotten off of eBay for don't know how much. And I'm just kind of curious, because I've never seen this thing work myself. Power. Yeah, I got no indication that it's on. So, I guess, contact? Nope. Oh, it does have RGB. Man, that's sick. Let me get y'all out of my phone.